Hey y'all, it's Julie the nursing tutor. My friend wants me to work these problems, and so I'm gonna put this on TikTok. So I'm talking to her though. Anyway, okay. This says Pepsid 20 milligrams IV piggyback Q12. The label on the vial reads 4 milliliters. The label on the 4 milliliter vial reads 10 milligrams per milliliter. And then the manufacturer recommends that you add the famotidine to a 50 milliliter bag of D5W and infuse it over 60 minutes. And then they want to know how many micro drips per minute will you set that IV tubing. And look, there's the answer. But look, if you can't come up with it, don't matter. So here we go. All right, so what the doctor wants is 20 milligrams. First, I got to find out, before I think about any of the rest of that, I got to figure out how much I got to pull out of the vial. Now, I know it says 4 milliliters, but the strength of it is 10 milligrams per milliliter. If you were going to use the 4 milliliters, you would multiply 4 times 10 and it'd be 40. But I don't, I try to keep down the math, stuff like multiplication, stuff like that. Keep my little head clear. Anyway, so what I have is 10 milligrams times 1 ml. And then we're going to do the math. Here we go. Handy dandy calculator. 20 divided by 10 equals, boom. That's going to be 2 milliliters that I've got to pull out of the vial. And then it says the manufacturer recommends you adding the famotidine, what? The 2 milliliters of famotidine. I bet this is what you missed. To a 50 milliliter bag. So if I have a 50 milliliter bag and I add the 2 milliliters of famotidine, then my total volume is going to be 52 milliliters. I heard a ding-ling in your head, little girl. And then it wants to know what you going to set it at. And it says micro drip. You got to know that's 60 drops per minute. So if we were going to do drops per minute, this total volume times the drop factor divided by time in minutes, it would be, our total volume would be 52 mLs. Dookie fart, sorry. Okay, 52 mLs times a 60 drop factor divided by 60 minutes. That's going to cancel out. And so the answer would be, this equals drops per minute. And so the answer would be 52 drops per minute. I hope all that got on there. Okay. Okay, young lady, I hope you enjoyed that and that you marinate on it. Anyway, bye, y'all. Everybody.